Hey everyone, I just recorded a video on how to figure out the song Let It Happen by Tame Impala by ear. I fast forward through some sections of the song where I thought it'd be a good idea to transpose the song in order to learn it, but really the exercise is to try and figure out a song by ear. So ignore the fast forwarded bits, they're all about trying to transpose a song from the key that it's in, A major, to another key. Wasn't a helpful exercise, so enjoy the video. Hey everyone, we're going to do another figuring it out by ear lesson for the Tame Impala song Let It Happen. Let's figure it out. I'm familiar with the song, I don't know it by heart, but I'll listen to it, we'll figure out its key, we'll apply musical principles to it, and we'll figure it out by ear for the accordion. So let's have a listen. I'll give you a running dialogue of what's happening in my head as we figure the song out. Let's have a go. I think it's in C minor, right? That's like the melody is so nice. So C minor. I'm not familiar with, I've never played a song in C minor. It sounds like it's, it sounds like it's whatever key. So C minor, right? Makes me think that it's either in C minor, F sharp, C minor, or A major. And I think that the first chord is going to be A major, right? Because C minor is a part of those chords, A, F sharp, and C minor. And it's so dominant that that's what it sounds like. Let's play again. Trying to figure out left hand. That's our one. -3, that's one principle. So if E minors are 1, let's go down. F sharp minor. Now where does it go to? Right, that's what it does. Let's keep listening. As you can see, it's not super smooth. So the second last chord is A flat, right? So one thing that we'll do is we'll transpose the song, because I don't like playing in those keys. I'm unfamiliar. I'm not as well versed in it with those 1 4 5s and 1 3s when we're up in this range. There. So let's keep listening. Okay, so it's those 3 chords. A major, ba, 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 ba. Good, so I'm going to write these chords. Yeah, that's easier, right? So we're going from C -3 to E to the B, which is 1 more than the A, and which is just a half step down from the C. Let's continue. Ignore this part about transposing. That didn't go very smoothly. Good. Let's continue. changes key. Oh, na 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 na. Trying to figure out this last chord. I think it's a C sharp major. It's so not fun to work in these keys that I'm not familiar with. So they stuck there for a while and transposed. Let's figure what that. This song's in E flat minor. Where's my E flat minor? I know it down here. That'd be nice if it's just that, right? E flat minor, walk down. To B major, to F sharp. Let's keep listening. Okay, so 4 chords. E flat minor, walk down 3. Ba ba ba. Right, it's the same musical principle from going down to a D minor, C, B flat. Same kind of walk down. E flat. To C sharp major. And resolve on the F sharp. Right? Do ba 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 da ba. Ba, 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 ba. That's the musical progression. So E flat, minus 3, plus 1, resolve. Right? Really standard chords. So the melody. Let's figure out the song. Let's play that. Good. So now that I know that, let's go back to the original, to the key that we transposed it to. Let's stick to the original key for now. Let's see where it goes from there. Wow, and it kicks it back up too. Ooh, where's it going? Okay. So I think that's the song. So some things that I would learn for this song. I wouldn't transpose it right away, just because I'm having some difficulty. I would learn the song in the key that it's in. Just so my fingers get accustomed to it. Plus, it's probably a good exercise to learn how to play in those keys, despite me not liking them. Once I know that song, I would transpose it. But for now, let's figure out a nice way to play it, right? I think that would be a really cool intro to the song, right? Fingered melodies. What key are we in? E flat minor. Yeah, it's doable. So those are the chords of the song. I would sit here a little bit longer and really try and toy with it and see what sounds good. But those are the chords of the song. Not a fun key to play in, or it's an unfamiliar key to play in. So take your time with it and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.